Hello and welcome to Mrs. D's Baking TV.
Oh my goodness. And just like that, dinner is ready. Guys, I got a special guest. Today.
Follow along as I show you how to put together this quick no-rise pizza dough. The ingredients that you'll need: granulated sugar, active dry yeast, all-purpose unbleached flour, olive oil, salt, and warm water.
Once your water has reached between 110 and 105 degrees, you're going to want to add your yeast and your sugar and mix that up. And we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our yeast has that frothy film on the top that we're looking for that lets you know that it is activated. So to our stand mixer, we are going to add our flour, oil, and salt, and our yeast mixture. And we are going to mix this together for approximately 5 minutes until it forms a soft ball. It's been about 5 minutes. See, the dough is starting to pull away from the sides of the bowl. So I think that it is ready. Let's see, let's check the stretch on that. Yep, see how stretchy that is? It's a little wet, but that's okay. Perfect. This is what our dough is looking like. See that? Nice and stretchy. I'm going to place this dough in this prepared pan, place it in the refrigerator, go about my day, and I will bake this pizza up later.
To add a little flavor to my pizza dough, I decided to put together a quick garlic paste.
Into my grandmother's cast iron skillet, I am going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of garlic, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to saute these ingredients and set them to the side.
Because this recipe allows you to make 2 pizza doughs, I decided to place one of mine in the freezer. Here you see me placing some olive oil on a Ziploc bag, and I will place my dough in the Ziploc bag and I can freeze it for up to, I think, about 3 months.
So this is our other half. So let's roll this out onto our floured surface. Put a little flour on the rolling pin, and you can use your hand if you don't have a rolling pin, and roll it out to the desired size. Now, if you remember earlier, I made my garlic paste, so I am going to, before I put on my sauce, gonna brush my entire dough with my garlic and herb and butter sauce before adding my pizza sauce. But it's up to you, however you choose to do it. Now, the toppings that I've chosen to use for my pizza today, of course, you gotta have pizza sauce, right? And I'm using mozzarella and feta cheese. And then I'll top it also with some pepperoni. So we're going to bake our pizza in a preheated 475-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. I've already got my pizza pan in there. And in just 8 to 10 minutes, guys, we're going to have dinner. Oh my goodness. And just like that, dinner is ready. Guys, I got a special guest. Today. My husband. This is my husband, everybody. You met him before on the, what was it? Gingerbread. But this is dinner tonight. Listen, after working all day, you come home, you throw this together, and you got dinner, okay? So we're going to let this cool a little bit because, yeah, the cheese is still popping.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm not going to ask you to try it now because the cheese is, wow. Yeah, it's still popping. How about we let this cool off just a little bit?
It looks good though.
It looks good, but let's let this cool off. Okay, so our pizza is cool. Got my taste tester here.
Cut it.
Let's see if this is, listen, my husband is going to be honest. I know that what I normally bake is good, and you know, he doesn't like it, he's gonna say no, order Domino's.
I would. But it looks good. So we're about to check it out.
All right. Now on your side, I put just regular mozzarella. On mine, I put mozzarella and feta. But I didn't think you were going to like the feta, so I didn't put feta on your side.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Thank you.
Wait for me. Wait for me. And guys, I fixed us a little side salad. So this is going to be dinner. Oh, Lord, we thank you. Ready? I think it's still a little hot. Yeah. And look at that crust. Look at the bottom. Guys, look at that crust. Look at that crust. All right. You ready? Ooh, I think this is still a little hot, but
Can
what
I go
you
ahead
think?
and eat this now?
Oh. Go ahead, husband.
It's good.
Is that good? You like the crust?
Yeah.
I almost want to just try the crust without all the pizza topping, because the crust, that's what this is all about. It's a no rise pizza crust. So I want to try the crust. That is good. What do you taste?
Butter.
You taste butter? Oh, okay. He doesn't know what I put in this, guys. You taste butter?
Pepperoni.
Do you taste
cheese?
Okay. Do you taste garlic?
A little bit. I have a hint of garlic.
Okay, because I put butter, garlic, and a little Italian seasoning. Well, this is dinner, so I'm glad you think it tastes good. Keep on eating, honey. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today on Mrs. D's Baking TV. Well, we made a no-rise crust. You can put this crust together in 5 minutes. Guys, you can have dinner on the table in no time. So join me again on my channel. There's no telling what I might bake or make him taste test. But I enjoy doing this. Keep watching. I upload a video every Wednesday. So be sure to check out my channel every Wednesday for something new. Thumbs up this video, bake with your family, but most of all, be blessed. Bye.